David Licao ko update. Post ni David sa kanyang FB for Sobre Cafe.
My favorite.
So, yan.
Yung beef. Diba? Tapos may egg pa, garlic. And then the rice. Recently lang namin change na Japanese rice na siya ngayon para mas may texture, mas masarap yung experience.
Sa resto ni David na Sobra Cafe. Sarap yan,
Yung beef, medyo salty, medyo sweet at the same time. And then yung garlic. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko. So it's crispy, look, fried garlic. Then yung onions, pickled onions na nag-balance. So for me, this is not the usual tapa. Yeah. Parang siyang tapa na may twist. Premium tapa siguro. And yeah, hot take, I feel like this is the best beef tapa in Manila. Not because sa akin to but try nyo na lang.
Try nyo na lang daw.
Look at that. This is Uncle Bert sandwich. So try natin. Kasi matagal ko na itong hindi nakain.
Big bite.
So buffalo siya, and then may coleslaw. So, isang laki pa ng chicken. Look at that.
Yun
Sarap. Gusto ko ulit ng tapa.
Tapos may price pa.
Wait, gusto ko lagyan ng chili pa. Masarap siya pag may chili Chili oil.
Yan, sarap yan mga yan, sarap ng kain ni David Yan, Sobra Cafe, restaurant.
So good. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.